Have you tried the new Old Bay hot sauce? I'm Tess, and tonight I'm making oven-baked Old Bay hot sauce chicken thighs. They are so easy, so hot, and so good. Stay tuned. One of my more popular recipe videos is my oven-baked barbecue chicken. The chicken comes out tender and juicy and lathered in a delicious barbecue sauce. When I heard of the new Old Bay hot sauce, I thought I would use the same baking technique for the chicken thighs, but make a buffalo sauce using the Old Bay hot sauce. I have 6 bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs that I cleaned and trimmed. I'm seasoning both sides with some Old Bay seasoning. These are going into a preheated 400-degree Fahrenheit oven for 30 minutes. In the meantime, I'm making the sauce and it's real simple. I have a half a cup of Old Bay hot sauce and I'm adding in a 1/4 cup of melted butter, giving that a good mix. It won't take much of the sauce to baste the chicken, so I'm pouring out some portions for dipping sauce later. It's been 30 minutes. I'm giving the chicken a flip. You can see the chicken is producing some juices and fat, and we will take care of that next time. The chicken is going back into the oven for another 15 minutes. And it's been 15 minutes. I'm removing the chicken and discarding the liquid. If we kept the liquid there, it would become one soupy mess. I'm placing the chicken back into the pan skin side down and basting with the Old Bay hot sauce. This is going back into the oven for another 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes. I'm removing any additional liquid, giving the chicken a flip skin side up. Basting each piece well with the Old Bay hot sauce. The chicken is going back into the oven for another 10 minutes. And trust me, we are almost done. This time, turn the oven up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Give the chicken one final good basting with the Old Bay hot sauce, and don't hold back. The chicken is going into a preheated 425-degree Fahrenheit oven for 10 more minutes. And at the last minute, I will turn on the broiler to caramelize the top. The chicken is done and smelling good. Letting the chicken rest for 10 minutes before serving. The skin got a little bubbly, but did not caramelize like I wanted, and that is because the sauce did not have much sugar. The Old Bay hot sauce has a nice vinegar base and tang, and a nice spicy heat with lots of Old Bay seasoning flavor. It probably wouldn't be difficult to copycat the Old Bay hot sauce. The hot sauce is southern like Crystal or Louisiana hot sauce. I like Crystal, and that's what it tastes like, with a good amount of Old Bay seasoning. The chicken turned out tender and juicy, hot and spicy. Serving with a side of Old Bay seasoned shrimp and celery sticks with ranch dressing. I hope you give this oven-baked Old Bay hot sauce chicken thigh recipe a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!